How to budget and save in your 20s. Tips and tricks. Welcome to Financial Fusion. In today's video, we're diving into how to budget and save money in your 20s. Your 20s are a crucial time for establishing good financial habits that can set you up for long-term success. Whether you're just starting your career, paying off student loans, or saving for future goals, these tips and tricks will help you manage your money effectively. First, let's talk about creating a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of good financial management. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month to understand where your money is going. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Once you have a clear picture, set realistic spending limits for each category. Tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets can help you stay organized and monitor your progress. Next, prioritize paying yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before spending on anything else. Aim to save at least 20% of your income if possible. Open a separate savings account and automate transfers to it each month. This way, you're consistently building your savings without having to think about it. Having an emergency fund is crucial. It can cover unexpected expenses and prevent you from going into debt. One effective way to save money is to live within your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the tendency to increase your spending as your income rises. Instead, maintain a frugal lifestyle and resist the temptation to splurge on unnecessary items. For instance, consider sharing an apartment with roommates to reduce housing costs, or cooking at home instead of eating out. These small sacrifices can lead to significant savings over time. Managing debt is another important aspect of financial health in your 20s. If you have student loans or credit card debt, create a repayment plan. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Consider consolidating your loans or refinancing to get a lower interest rate. Avoid taking on new debt by using credit cards responsibly and only for purchases you can pay off in full each month. Investing in your future is key. Start by contributing to your employer's retirement plan, especially if they offer a match. If not, open an IRA or Roth IRA and make regular contributions. Investing early takes advantage of compound interest, which can significantly grow your savings over time. Educate yourself about different investment options and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Another tip is to take advantage of discounts and freebies. Use student discounts if you're still in school and look for deals on everyday purchases. Many companies offer discounts for young adults, so always ask. Additionally, take advantage of free resources like public libraries, parks, and community events for entertainment. Being resourceful and finding ways to save on everyday expenses can add up to substantial savings. Building good credit is also important in your 20s. A good credit score can help you qualify for better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Regularly check your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Responsible credit management now can open doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Networking and professional development can also impact your financial well-being. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and seek mentorship to advance your career. Building a strong professional network can lead to job opportunities, higher salaries, and career growth. Invest in yourself by taking courses or obtaining certifications that can increase your earning potential. Lastly, set financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning a trip, or aiming to build a certain amount of savings, having clear goals can keep you motivated. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Regularly review and adjust your budget and savings plan to stay on track. In conclusion, budgeting and saving in your 20s is all about making smart financial choices and developing good habits. By creating a budget, living within your means, managing debt, investing in your future, and setting clear financial goals, you can build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Thank you for watching Your Channel Name. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and money management. Let us know in the comments which tips you plan to try, and we'll see you in the next video.